we see Gregoria de Jesus in person through Direct Ellen.
Nung nag-umpisa yung pelikula, I'm an extra and I'm a body double. And then ito sa last year, they contacted me to do the Oryang role.
Paparaan ng Pilipino, pag gusto niya, pag gusto ng babae, pag gusto ni Ellen ma-feel na gawin ng isang bagay, talagang gagawin niyang lahat para matupad ito.
Sometimes people are bored with history. Parang it's one negative thing after another, right? But if they see that some of the problems you have today are connected since the birthing of our nation, that is a sense of historical consciousness. What do we do about it? Mga traitor!
Walang lihim. Lahimik sa kahilan.
Kung pag-uusisa ang nagdala sa'yo dito, umurong ka. Hindi ako uurong.
Sa buhay mang ito o sa kapiling